peoples, welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy and I'm back with another video. By the way, I painted this, so artist Sandy. But today I just wanted to talk about this Divija Bhasin situation, this proud R thing. I will not be talking about the whatever the trend she is doing and whatever the thing, because I have already made a video, so I will link that video, you can check it out. But I will just outright say it that she is a horrible person. I always try to be very diplomatic because मुझे ना, like I am that kind of a person जो दोनों साइड समझने का कोशिश करती है. आई एम लाइक वेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग. मतलब सामने जन बहुत खराब है, इट्स हॉरिबल पर्सन, बट स्टिल आई विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर पर्सपेक्टिव. But at like in this situation, I don't even know her personally, but I feel like she is a horrible person, and I'm just putting it right there in the internet. मुझे जज करना है करो, जो भी करना है करो. शायद हेट मिल सकता है, बट आई एम रेडी फॉर इट. रिसेंटली ये कंट्रोवर्सी हुआ, देन लाइक आई नो सम क्रिएटर्स, लाइक जो like small creators, and I follow them and all. So there is this particular female creator and she outright got this hate. मतलब मुझे like I saw the post and it was like it मतलब मुझे आई कैन नॉट इवन इमेजिन मतलब क्या इन्फ्लुएंस दिस पर्सन, दिस ऑकवर्ड गोट इज पुटिंग ऑन हर फॉलोअर्स. लाइक ऐसा यू can even imagine to write like this. Like you have that much of spare time that you will open a fake account. It is like, I think she got an email, so I will put that video also of their bishop's naam hai, so I will put her video and also the whatever the hate that she got. And she actually, I think she got an email. So वो मतलब फेक ईमेल बना के and she sent her this particular threat and everything. So yeah, and that was like मैंने देखा and मुझे तो like I did not like it at all. And obviously this अभी like everyone is putting their opinions and everything, so मेरे लिए बहुत overwhelming हो जा रहा है. And I was just scrolling whatever reels and stuff, and I come across this particular video, and the girl is so sweet and so respectful towards her, and she is just putting her opinion. I will link that video in the description, and I will also I will put the video, you can see it.
This is an open letter to the Vija, the awkward goat. I started creating content because of you. When you went to Harvard to talk about your work, I thought if she can, I can. You made me believe that a voice like mine could matter too, and that's why this hurts, because today I need to use this voice to tell you that you're wrong. The word that you've tried to reclaim, it's not yours to take back. It does not belong to women like us. It belongs to the women who've lived it, those who've never had the privilege to stand on a stage and make a statement. I don't think it's fair that you're being dragged for things. The men who used this word against us were never taken to court. But I also can't stay silent when the wound that you're calling empowerment still bleeds for so many. Empowerment shouldn't come from somebody else's pain. Words have power, so here am I using mine. I'm not trying to cancel you, I'm trying to remind you that healing doesn't come from renaming what hurt us. It comes from refusing to use it again. Thank you.
And she was very respectful and she is just giving her opinion and she's very calm and composed. I really liked her. And you just found this comment and Awkward Goat has commented on her reel, and I will put that comment. And it just blows my mind that she is outright saying that hating on women. She was not hating on you. She is just putting her opinion. She is saying that you were the reason that she started making content and everything. And she is just putting her opinion. हो सकता गलत हो सकता कोई, you can be wrong. Like हो सकता है you are wrong. Someone is saying you can have a lot of perspectives. You need to listen कि क्या हो रहा है, क्यों लोग बोल रहे हैं. Or you might be right. तुम्हारे लिए तुम right हो सकते हो. But even if you are right, that doesn't mean the other person is wrong. You need to hear their perspective as well. So outright she is just blaming that you are hating on me and whatever. उसके बाद मैंने comments पढ़ा, बहुत लोगों ने बोला है कि she is not hating on you, she is just saying and all, whatever is this. But I feel the way she is like Awkward Goat is now portraying herself or whatever. I don't know if she's frustrated or whatever the criticism she's getting, she's not able to handle it. She is just outright, मतलब उसका जो personality है वो निकल के आ रहा है. I feel like that. It is just outright rage baiting, I feel. एंड मुझे क्यों लग रहा है कि दिस इज काइंड ऑफ अ रेबल किड सिचुएशन, बट रेबल किड सिचुएशन शायद एक टाइम में आया था कि रेबल किड का जो सिचुएशन था, एवरीबडी वाज लाइक व्हाटएवर वाज लाइक कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म हो या जो भी हो वो कर रही थी, जो भी है रॉन्ग एंड राइट व्हाटएवर द सिचुएशन वाज. एंड देन उसके जो लाइक एक वो वाला से मदर वाला लाइक उनका मदर सब आके मदर मैंने भी बहुत लाइक मैंने भी आई हैव फेस्ड आल्सो लाइक पूरा टोली आ जाता है एंड दे जस्ट कमेंट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड स्टफ. सो मुझे वैसा ही लग रहा है. आई फील लाइक ऑकवर्ड गुड इज आल्सो डूइंग द सेम थिंग बिकॉज शी इज सीइंग दैट अगर मैं कुछ मतलब ऐसा करती हूँ तो मुझे रेज बेटिंग तो है, मुझे पब्लिसिटी मिल रहा है, क्रिएटर्स आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मी, आई एम गेटिंग द पब्लिसिटी. And I have always said in my videos that negative PR is also a PR. You like people just wants attention. People just wants to get seen, and it is very normal. Like ये मतलब I think it is a human nature. I am not like उतना मुझे psychology and all वो human brain के बारे में उतना नहीं पता है, but जितना भी मैंने observe किया है, so मुझे लगता है कि everybody wants attention and कुछ लोग होते हैं जो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं for the attention, and I think she is doing that. This trend that she has started, she doesn't care about the people who are actually facing this world on a regular basis, the people who are not even watching her videos, who doesn't even know that she exists, and they are not the part of the conversation, and she doesn't know their perspective. And I have like मैंने बहुत सारे like videos देखा है with a lot of different perspectives, and I will link those videos. You can watch those videos. I really liked those videos. There is this creator Rishabh there, Kabir is there, Shan is there. Shan ka you should watch it. I loved Shan's video, and I will obviously link those videos so you can see those. And बहुत सारे पर्सपेक्टिव्स आते हैं. यू ऑल्सो गेट टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. आई ऑल्सो गॉट टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. सो ये पर्सपेक्टिव मुझे बहुत मतलब अच्छा लगा, जहाँ पीपल हैव सेड दैट the people who actually hear this word and this sex workers, जो उनके मतलब लाइफ है, and they face this particular like this tag, this word, this taboo tag or taboo word. Have Awkward Goat gone to these people and have asked them like, what do you feel about this? This is the trend I'm starting. How do you feel about this? I am 100% sure if you say that this trend is going on social media, matlab you will not even like, they will be like, really? They will be like, we didn't know. Nobody asked us what we feel about the whole situation, the whole trend. So yeah, so this particular take is very important कि उस particular section को पूछा गया है कि ये trend चल रहा है, and do you know like you are the one who are the center of this like this particular word, and are you comfortable with, we are reclaiming the word and everything. So if we like also like she has this bubble, and I like this creator also said, I don't remember the creator, like I really like she has this bubble, she has this safety net, and she can say this, yeah, I am reclaiming this word. And yes, this word is normalized within the Indian society, within like the parents or whatever the fathers or mothers have said to their children, and the men saying every day, and that is wrong. Obviously that is wrong, and we are calling those people out, but not like this, not normalizing this word. I have said that we should be banning this word, we should be eliminating this word. So yeah, I just wanted to say this, that and मैंने पहले बताया कि I feel like she's a horrible person. I will stand to it. I feel like she's a horrible person. So अगर किसी को कुछ कमेंट करना है, किसी को कुछ बोलना है, so be respectful in the comment section, and I don't know if I'll also get the hate. At this point, anything can happen. So yeah, whatever your thoughts, do let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.